guys, happy Sunday. Today I just went out and had perused the ads that you usually change on Sunday, like CVS and Rite Aid and Walgreens and all that. And I just came up with a few deal scenarios that you guys might be able to get. If you like this look, I did this with the palette that we just got in the Boxy Charm. It's such a nice palette. So if you haven't seen the Boxy Charm video, I will link it below if it's already uploaded. If it's not uploaded, it will be in a little bit. So I'll link it below, and it's a really pretty like metallic. It's called Metal Rocks, I think. It's by Crown. It's really pretty. It has some really interesting colors that I don't already have, which is always nice. So anyway, the ads usually change on Sundays, and I used to get the newspaper, but they stopped sending coupons out in my area. I had a subscription to the LA Times, and like we weren't ever getting coupons, and I had like my subscription, and then when it ran out, I just didn't renew because no coupons. That's why I get the paper. I don't even read the paper. So I started getting some inserts in the mail, which is kind of weird. So I've gotten some of the inserts with the coupons in the mail. And this week I was noticing at Rite Aid, and a lot of people do the Walgreens and the CVS deals, but I don't see anybody doing the Rite Aid deals, which is kind of bizarre because I've been getting some really good deals at Rite Aid lately. So when I was looking over the ads last night, I happened to see that the Centrum vitamins were going to be on sale for $6.99. So I got the gummies for women, and then I got just the pill form for women, and these were $6.99 too. And in the coupon inserts that I got in the mail, there were two $4 off coupons, one off the gummy, one on the pills. So I was able to pick these up for $2.99 each, and they are regularly $8.99 at Rite Aid. So don't sleep on Rite Aid. If you guys haven't watched my deals that I just posted within this past week, I'll try to link those below too. But I've been getting some awesome deals on makeup, and you can get those deals too because I still saw the stuff that I got, and those are still hot deals. So watch that video. And then the next thing I picked up was the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. Now I picked up nude beige and buff beige. The nude beige is light, medium, warm, and buff beige is just medium warm. So I figured, you know, between the two, I would find a match in here for me. That makes sense. So these are $8.99, which is kind of expensive for Wet n Wild, but I mean, it's a cushion, and you know, that's like the newest kind of thing. And like the Maybelline and the L'Oreal ones are like $16. So I guess, you know, so these are $8.99, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. So you're going to buy one for $8.99 and you're going to get one for $4.49. Plus I had $1 off each one, because in the display for the cushion foundation, if it's not empty when you go, there's a box kind of, and it had like these, they're about this big, and they're like a card, and it's really cool. It has this strip that you peel off, and you're supposed to hold it up to your skin, and then whichever dots disappear, that's supposed to be your shade. So I was kind of weird, because I'm like, if you're buying foundation, you probably already have foundation on, so to try to match it with that strip, kind of weird. And then when I got home and I tried matching it, it said that I was ivory, and I know that there's no way I'm ivory. Oh my god, you guys see how bad my lip is? Oh my god, I want to just like cover it up like this. So bad. So anyway, that's where I got the $1 off coupons. So that made one $7.99 and one $3.49. So that was a good deal. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And all the Wet n Wild is buy one, get one 50% off. All the Physicians Formula, I think, is buy one, get one 50% off, or maybe even 75% off. I didn't really look, but I noticed on the end cap that they had the Healthy Foundation with the $3 Peely stickers. So if you are looking for that foundation, which I really, really like, it's good. If you guys saw my review last week, it's really good. I might be able to link that below too, if I can remember all these links. I'm like, I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. So if I do, if not, just look for my videos. But it's a really, really nice foundation. and I highly recommend it. It's just really nice. It's not full coverage, so don't think that you're gonna like get full coverage of it, but it's a very nice kind of light medium coverage. You might be able to build it up to like maybe full coverage, but I don't know, maybe a full medium, maybe somewhere like that. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. This video is super short. I just wanted to tell you about those deals, the makeup, all this stuff. Don't sleep on Rite Aid. They have some great deals. So they have a bunch of clearance makeup. They had clearance eyelashes, clearance nail polish. I mean, they had so much stuff, and a lot of Physicians Formula products for 75% off. So go check it out and use coupons if you get them, or if you get them in the mail like I did and you're lucky enough to get that. That's a good deal for the vitamins too. And I will let you know when I start using foundation again. I'll probably do I'll do the Wet n Wild cushion one for my next foundation review. So hopefully that won't be too long from now. So anyway, got that, and I got myself some vitamins, and I'm good. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.